All right, mis estudiantes, we are going to go over our double verb constructions. Notice the notes are set up a little bit differently, so I'm going to take you step by step through your handout. So double verb construction is something that's very important to understand in Spanish because we use it quite a bit. So this means that there are two verbs next to each other in a sentence. So for example, we've got voy a caminar con el perro. I'm going to walk the dog. Tú quieres ir a la fiesta. You want to go to the party. So here's our double verb rule. You cannot conjugate two verbs that are next to one another. I say when two verbs go skating, the first one does the conjugating. So that means the first verb is conjugated, and then the second one stays in the infinitive form. And listen to it. I'm going to walk the dog. Notice caminar is in the infinitive form. So a lot of this has to do with just vocabulary and knowing what words often are used with our double verb construction. So we talked about ir plus a, which means going to do something. All right, and then we've also talked about gustar, to like, to do something. Me gusta nadar. We also have already talked about our verb tener, which means to have to do something. Tengo que estudiar, I have to study. Necesitar, to need. Necesito bailar, I need to dance. All right, now let's talk about our verb pensar. Now when we use this verb pensar, it means to think, but when it's in a double verb construction, it means to plan to do something. So pienso estudiar, I plan to study. Preferir is just regular to prefer. Querer, as you saw in the example, to want. And then deber is should do something. All right, so here's what I would like for you to do. I'd like for you to go ahead and hit pause and do those 4 practice problems on your own. So go ahead and hit pause, and then when you're done, I will type those in. Okay, let's see how you did. Deber is just a regular verb, so yo debo estudiar los apuntes, which means I should study the notes. Tenemos que, oh, there we go. Tenemos que hacer la tarea. We have to do the homework. Ellos quieren ir al cine. They want to go to the movie theater. And then prefieres, remember preferir is a stem changer along with querer. Comer, oops, la ensalada. There we go. All right. So you prefer to eat salads or eat a salad. So those are your examples. All right, so now we're going to go and we are going to do just our straight English to Spanish translations. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have you guys do all 10, but I'm just going to go over the first 5 on the notes. And then we'll talk about the second 5 in class on Monday. So go ahead and hit pause and go ahead and translate all of those sentences from English to Spanish. And then if you have any questions, make sure you jot any of those notes down. All right, so here we go. Necesitamos estudiar las matemáticas. There we go. All right, she wants to spend time with friends. So she wants is going to be ella quiere, And then remember our phrase to spend time with friends is pasar un rato con amigos. And then you all, so let's use ustedes, have to read a book. Remember, if we have to do something, that's tener que. So, tienen que leer el libro. I should write emails. Okay. Oops. Okay. So I should, debo, and then write emails, escribir correos electrónicos. And then number 5 is already on there. He plans, so it'd be él piensa or piensa jugar al fútbol. There's an accent on that U. All right. There we go. Make sure you guys jot down any questions and get those last 5 done. That's what I'll be looking for when I check your notes on Monday. Thank you.